Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Oh yes, guys. The conservative signal I gave in Discord over the last 3 days was closed successful today. April 16th, entry at 83,758. Exit today, April 19th, just 3 days later, at 85,426. That is a clean spot gain of 1.88%. All done via my Longwave strategy. This strategy does not chase breakouts, but trades normal swings with smart exits. I was sure we would go even higher, but still, the strategy said exit, and that was correct. Price peaked at 85,600 and then dropped to 84,710 in just 2 hours. After that quick wick down, price quickly recovered and is now above 85,000 again. As of the time of recording, we are almost back at our exit, hovering around 85,200. My personal view is that next week will be bullish and we will break above 86,000. Why do I think that? Well, just look at the weekly chart. There was a clear downtrend that started on January 27th. This week, that trend was finally broken. We printed a green candle and even a green dot on the weekly wave trend indicator. That is a mega bullish sign. Next stop, 100K. Let's go. In other news, a report from Bitwise shows that public company Bitcoin adoption hit a new all-time high in Q1 of 2025. Public firms now hold more than 688,000 Bitcoin. That is 3.28% of the total supply. Institutional confidence is rising. That is super bullish. And with that, I wish you all a peaceful Eastern holiday. Enjoy time with your loved ones and get some rest. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click the like button if you got value and subscribe with the bell on. And see you in the next one.